Hello, welcome to the session of electronics. Myself Sham Gore. Today we are discussing about frequency modulation. There are three types of the modulations, that is the amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and the phase modulation. Out of these modulations, let us see the frequency modulation. The frequency modulation is process of changing a frequency of carrier wave in accordance with the instantaneous value of modulating signal is known as the frequency modulation. In frequency modulation, only the frequency of carrier wave is changed and therefore the amplitude and phase of carrier wave remains constant. Therefore, in frequency modulation, frequency of carrier wave is changed in accordance with the instantaneous value of amplitude of modulating signal. So, this is the frequency modulation. And the waveform of frequency modulation is like this. Okay. Here, there are the three types of the wave. Initially, the two waves, this is the modulating wave, and the modulating wave is either sound wave or the picture wave. Okay. So, here the frequency of this modulating wave is very less. For the sound signal, the frequency is from 20 Hz to the 20 kilohertz. So this frequency is the very low. And this is the carrier wave. If you looking towards this carrier wave, the frequency of this carrier wave is high. And when these two waves, that is the carrier wave and the modulating wave, mix together, in the frequency modulation, we are mixing these two waves in such a way that to produce the such type of frequency modulated carrier wave. And this is the frequency modulated carrier wave. If you are looking towards this frequency modulated carrier wave, here the frequency is changing, and that frequency is changing according to the modulating signal. Where the modulating signal is high, then the frequency of carrier wave here is high. If the modulating signal is low means at that time the frequency is low. In this way, the frequency of this carrier wave is changed according to the modulating signal. For the positive peak, frequency is high. For the negative peak, the frequency becomes low for the carrier wave. In this way, here the frequency of carrier wave is changed, and such types of the modulation is known as the frequency modulation. Okay. So, let us see the mathematical representation of frequency modulated wave. And first of all, let us see the modulation index. And the modulation index is a ratio of the frequency deviation to modulating frequency. This is the modulation index, and the modulation index is represented by MF. MF is equal to frequency deviation divided by modulating frequency, and therefore we can write MF is equal to delta divided by FM. Delta is the frequency deviation, change in the frequency, or the deviation in the frequency is represented by delta, and the modulating frequency is represented by FM. So this is the modulation index. And the modulation index MF is very important in the frequency modulation because it decides the bandwidth of frequency modulated wave, and the deviation ratio is in frequency modulated broadcasting, maximum value of deviation is limited to the 75 kilohertz. and the maximum modulating frequency is limited to the 15 kilohertz. Okay, so the modulation index corresponding to maximum deviation and the maximum modulating frequency is called deviation ratio. So what is the deviation ratio? Deviation ratio is the modulation index correspond to the maximum deviation. So this is the deviation ratio. Maximum deviation, it is the ratio of maximum deviation to maximum modulating frequency. Okay. Now, unmodulated carrier wave is represented by this equation, that is the carrier wave EC is equal to A sin omega ct plus phi. Okay, this is the carrier wave, representation of carrier wave, and here A is amplitude of carrier wave and omega c is the carrier frequency, t is the time period and phi is the phase angle. So this is the representation of unmodulated carrier wave. In frequency modulation, frequency f of the frequency modulated wave varies in accordance with the modulating voltage. According to the modulating voltage, the carrier frequency is changed, and therefore the after modulation the frequency becomes f. It is represented by f, and f is equal to fc plus em, and fc is the frequency of carrier wave and em is the modulating wave, and according to this modulating wave the frequency of carrier wave is changed. So this is the resultant frequency of frequency modulated carrier wave, that is the fc plus em. This is equation number 1. Okay, and this equation becomes f is equal to fc plus em cos omega mt, and this is the modulating signal. Modulating signal is represented by em cos omega mt. Okay, and therefore this equation becomes, if we are taking fc as common, therefore this equation becomes fc into bracket 1 plus k em cos omega mt, and here k is equal to em by fc. Value of em by fc is equal to k. Here we are taking this constant k for em divided by fc. If you taking the fc as common, therefore that is equal to 1 plus em divided by fc into cos omega mt. So 1 divided by fc is equal to k. The maximum frequency deviation will correspond to the value of cos omega mt, and that is equal to plus minus 1. Therefore, under this condition, instantaneous frequency is given by f is equal to fc into bracket 1 plus k into em. When cos omega t is equal to 1, therefore that can be written like this: f is equal to fc into bracket 1 plus k em. This is equation number 3, and therefore that can also be written as fc is equal to k fc into bracket f is equal to fc plus minus k em into fc. Therefore, the maximum deviation delta is given by delta is equal to k times em into fc, equation number 5. And as we know that the frequency modulated wave is sine wave, and the amplitude of which is constant, and angular velocity is a function of omega c and omega m. Here omega c is the angular frequency of carrier wave, omega m is the angular frequency of modulating wave. Okay, therefore the angular velocity of frequency modulated wave is depends upon omega c and omega m. Let us see here. Therefore, frequency modulated wave is represented by EAM is equal to A sin F into bracket omega C into comma omega M bracket close. This is equation number 6, because here the angular frequency is depends upon this factor, angular velocity, like this. And here this is equal to A sin theta. Here theta is equal to F into bracket omega C into omega M, and here the theta is equal to F into bracket omega C omega M. As shown in figure, A sin theta is rotating vector. Here this angular frequency, angular velocity is changing, and if A is rotating a constant velocity omega, then we could have written theta is equal to omega t. But in frequency modulation, velocity is not constant, and in fact it is changing continuously. Therefore, the angular velocity of frequency modulated wave is given by, here omega is changing continuously, here like this omega is changing, okay, and therefore omega is equal to omega c into bracket 1 plus k em cos omega mt, equation number 9. And hence, to find out the theta, value of theta, we must integrate omega with respect to the time. Therefore, theta is equal to integration of omega dt, and that is equal to integration of omega c into bracket 1 plus k em cos omega mt bracket close into dt, equation number 10. Okay, and that is equal to omega c integration of 1 plus k em cos omega mt into dt, and that is equal to t plus 1 plus k em sin omega mt divided by omega m bracket close, plus that is equal to omega ct plus k em sin omega mt divided by omega m, and that can be written like this: omega ct plus k em fc sin omega mt divided by fm. Here the omega m is written like that, fc. Okay, instead of omega m we write fc. Fc is the linear frequency, omega c is the angular frequency. Okay, as per the definition, delta is equal to k em into fc. Therefore, theta is equal to omega ct plus delta sin omega mt divided by fm. And when we substitute the value of theta in equation number 7 to get the equation of the frequency modulated wave, and that is like this: EFM is equal to A sin, here the value of theta is substituted here, equation number 7 is equal to EFM is equal to A sin theta, and therefore value of theta is equal to omega ct plus mf sin omega mt, and this is the equation for frequency modulated carrier wave. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.